Hello and welcome to a tour of the Fitzgerald National Park. Here we have nice pink flowers. They were really nice. There's actually lots of different varieties, which was dope. Lovely. Here we have the what they call little rose flower. Fucking cool as. Coming over we have the highlighter acacia. A great one. Oh, this is fuck. I jumped scared too early. It was really hard. I'm reading off like a little note thing. And then
Was that when we were at
I retire.
what's it called, park?
It was school. Hello. Hold on, bro.
Stop kicking the tree, Bucks.
Fuck you, bitch.
Bitch.
The one that's like right there.
Thanks in Newtons, I like that one.
What level is this cabbage brownie? Sheesh. Good luck.
3 adjacent bunnies.
It hits 3 adjacent bunnies.
Or it could be like a feed the bunny card, but you have to get the lava cabbage card.
All the lava cabbage is worth like 20 cabbage.
Should we play Killer Bunnies when we get back? Oh my god, I love the cabbage. Fire cabbage is fucking
So
sick.
cool how it's like different colour. Like green, red, yellow.
Fire.
Oh, green cabbage, yellow cabbage, fire cabbage.
Hell yeah.
They're all red. This is my favourite one. And then it's that one.
Same.
The pink. The small yellow ones. Or is it different?
No, it's different. Way different.
Fuck, that's so cool. Look at it. I love that one. That's definitely in the top 3.
Top 3. What do you reckon, Brown?
Yeah, I think that has to be top 3.
It's fucking cool.
I don't know.
So cool. It's sick.
Yeah, it definitely beats the other ones. But I'll put a photo. Like, there's so many fucking plants. What animals? Birds?
I don't know.
There was heaps of
It's the
birds.
same ones. It's got like a double beak.
What do you have to say to the allegations?
Have I told you guys about? I think it's called Canada Now. It's like a YouTube channel that like does cool stuff with ads.
Like,
Imagine how cool that would be as a Christmas tree. You think?
Look at this one. The orange one.
We keep going to Germany and we speak in French accent. pretty cool tree too.
Oh, we have, yeah. I got it mixed up with one in the corner of my eye. I wigged it.
Or do you mean like that one? Because that's sort of more spiky than that.
Oh, that's what I mean. Yeah. I don't know if we've seen soft version.
Maybe we should do friendly fire carrot. And it's like negative 20 cabbage.
Friendly and spicy.
Yo.
Ooh, black ones. Yellow stars.
Whoa.
What do you think?
Whoa. Yeah, I don't know
It's
either.
really droopy like that. So sick.
We are now entering a new biome.
What's this one called, Dylan?
Toiletries Town biome.
TT.
Also known as TT biome.
How many leaves do you get from cutting one down?
You get 6.
How much would
This
cutting XP?
this one gives wood cutting. These ones 40.
Not bad. What level do you have to be to cut 'em?
30.
Checks out.
Does it?
How much XP do you get for willows though? That's like 67, right?
Yeah, maybe it doesn't check out.
Oh. Gotta be lower.
Alright, level 5. It's the new oak. Fuck oak.
20 XP is more than an oak, though, isn't it?
Yeah. But you gotta do a quest to access it.
Yeah.
And come to Germany.
Maybe you get
Yeah.
White version.
maybe you get the log plate.
What's up, dog? White version.
Oh, they're pretty.
Is this the third version
No, I thought
of this?
spicy biome. Dry skin could use its skin moisturizer.
Biome.
About how it's done.
Maybe the next biome uses moisturizer. You got a bit of my nerves, bro.
Oh, 80.
Damn. That's rude.
Yes, sir. Brownie.
Dawdling on for hours.
Yeah.
You should do a video like that with just like 20 pictures. And you just tell stories every picture. And then pause for like 30 seconds and then continue with a different like side story.
We could do a few over video too.
Ooh, rock. Oh, look at this rock.
Love you, Mum. Missing you. Love you, Dad. Missing you. Love you, Abby. Missing you. Do you reckon they'll know that I sent them all the same video?
No?
Do you reckon we can do it?
Whoa.
This could keep my fringe out of my face.
Ah, get off me, fucking ant. Get fuck off, cunt. Oh shit, fuck.
But then it would kind of be like it would be cool to have the edges. Say it was like that thick, and then the resin and polish on top.
You just have to have your table use mostly resin.
Yeah.
Or you could have it as resin and then have a glass finish over the top.
Oh, I don't really want glass.
And use something else that's good.
I don't know. Marble with polish would be sick.
What does the witch say?
Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding.
Which bitch? Nah.
That one's really cool.
And we went.
Stephanie, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Tell the people.
None of your business. I'm hiding a frog from my kitchen vegetable.
When are you gonna get it?
In a year?
What's the first thing you're gonna cook?
Okay, so it's when you go down this. Where are we? Document. Germany.
Germany. The Fitz.
Mm-hmm.
WA.
West Fitz.
At the Ridge Trail. At the
Mhm.
very end.
Looking at the ridge.
It's just down here.
Olive catfish tree / dolphin.
Your hair. It's like the ghost.
Oh, that was sick.
It's like the ghosts. Oh my god, there's more down there. Did you hide both of those rocks?
I hid 4 of them.
Did you hide the dinosaur?
Yeah.
Brownie and ready whenever you are. Go.
Hey guys, it's Matt here again, back at the Fitz this time, doing a hike with my friend.
Brilliant, brilliant. Keep it going. It's fantastic.
Fun fact about Fitz, there's lots of species here, and really cool rocks.
Wrap it up, Matty. Wrap it up. That was good.
Bush spiky, and trees smell good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
Bloody brilliant job, mate. That was a fantastic take. We climb up and shit.
The mountain is in the background and it looks like a piece of shit. Look at my hair, it looks like I just have a bit of baby hair.
Oh baby Steph. In general.
I will have to dwell on that one.
Oh yeah. Pump it louder. Pump it louder. That was